Okay, to put the cards in, you lift this up. And there's a little lever here. Make sure that's up as well. And then you slide the cards underneath that. Okay, all the cards are in. You can see the position to be spit out. And then it's got that little lever on top. So we'll close this. It's got a nice little pop to it, so that when you turn it over to turn it on, the cards don't fall out. So now let's push the button and see what happens. That was a lot that time. So this is just the overall game. Very nice, well built, great for family nights. Thanks for watching.